Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Linea, one of my favorite jewelry brands that gives quiet luxury at affordable prices. Linea is best known for their stunning gold vermeil pieces. They're way stronger than gold-plated jewelry. Their pieces are immaculate and they're built to last, not only because of the craftsmanship but also the timeless designs. Honestly, you can just wear them forever. If you want to do a deep dive on the brand and you want to see some of the pretty pieces up close, feel free to check out my previous Linea videos. As you can see, I'm holding a cup of tea. It's pretty cold in New Zealand. We're deep in winter. Between work dramas and maybe just life as a millennial in general, I've been feeling a bit meh. So I've chosen 4 gold vermeil pieces that are warm and summery because I just know they're gonna brighten up my day. I've tried layering these with my existing Linea collection and they look so good. Sorry, I forgot to mention, Linea offers free shipping to all orders over 75 US dollars or 140 New Zealand dollars. And yes, they ship to New Zealand. They do ship to a lot of other countries too. If you fall in love with the Linea pieces in this video, you can use my code Wikipedia to get a special offer. Okay, hurry up and do the unboxing already, Vicky. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about this Ariel dome ring. I love the puffy, tapered design. The thickest point is 6.4 millimeters wide and it narrows down to 2 millimeters. I reckon the puff kind of gives that same visual satisfaction like how gel manicures do. Look how shiny it is. The streamlined, rounded design just has this beautiful flow. And it just makes this ring look very sophisticated and elegant. The uneven width is a total game changer in my opinion. I think it just gives the ring a bit of edge and it just looks more high fashion. This baby is made of gold vermeil and it's got a bit of weight to it. It feels luxurious. It's the perfect statement ring, but it's also great for layering and it just goes with all my existing Linea pieces. Just a quick note on sizing. For chunkier rings, sometimes I go up a size because the thicker silhouette kind of makes the ring fit a bit tighter. I was contemplating whether to get this in size 7, but I'm so glad I stuck to my guns and just got my usual size 6. This ring is true to size. I didn't need to size up and it fits these 3 fingers comfortably. What I love about Linea's rings is that they are universally flattering. You don't need hand model hands for them to look amazing. I guess you can say this Ariel dome ring is the new ringleader of my jewelry collection. I'm obsessed. Next up, Hey Siri. So I'm full of bad puns today. Let's talk about the Siri wrap ring. It's so minimal, but it's so stylish. The band of this ring is about 1.4 millimeters wide, so the silhouette is still very dainty and delicate. I really like this opening. I think that makes the ring way more interesting visually, and it just adds a bit of edge to the design. You can literally style it with anything, but it also looks amazing on its own, and it's perfect for stacking. Check this out, it's so versatile. I personally really love pairing the Siri wrap ring with my other Linea gemstone rings. It looks so good with my Ilsa ring and my Charlotte ring, and I think the Siri ring adds just the right amount of edge to the look. Let's talk about the quality. This ring is also made from trusty gold vermeil, which means it's not only pretty, it's also durable. A quick note on sizing. So this ring has an opening, but I still got it in my usual size 6 and it runs true to size. Some open rings tend to bend very easily and lose their shape, but this is very sturdy and it just keeps its form. I don't suggest doing this, but it does take quite a bit of pressure to start messing with the shape. Anyway, this Linea ring quite literally has me wrapped around its finger. Moving on to the Lillian braided ring. Again, this ring is made from gold vermeil and it runs true to size. I got this in size 6 and it fits most of my fingers. Let's get into why I think this ring is very different from the usual plain stacking rings. I'm just gonna take the Siri off for a minute so you can focus on Lillian. Look at the design. It's so cute. The intricate braided pattern gives this ring a unique texture. I think the pattern adds an extra layer of cuteness to the ring and it just makes it a lot more whimsical and beautiful. It looks nice on its own if you want an understated minimalist vibe, but it's made for stacking and it looks incredible when you stack it with other lineal rings for a bolder look. What I love about the Lillian ring, it's timelessness, and it's such an easy ring to build a stack on. I mean, check this out, it looks so cute. It literally goes with everything. And the best part, the daintiness makes it super easy to pair with silver pieces too. I stacked it directly above the Irene beaded ring, and what a dreamy little stack. You can't go wrong with this ring. It looks incredible with the gemstone rings that I've already got in my collection. If you're after a fine ring that is timeless, versatile, maybe a little bit whimsical, this dainty gold ring is the perfect addition to your collection. Should I do another bat punch? The Lillian braided ring has become the braid and butter of my jewelry collection. Anyway, enough ring chat. The final piece I want to talk about is the Valencia Amazonite bracelet. This pretty dainty pendant bracelet has 5 Amazonite beaded charms set in gold vermeil. I was today years old when I found out Amazonite is not another name for turquoise. They are completely different minerals. Anyway, they're very similar to me. They're both aqua, and I want to talk about the aqua color. Sometimes the aqua color can come off as a little bit garish and maybe basic, but the Valencia bracelet is all class. I love how the Amazonite is not too heavy-handed. It gives the bracelet a bohemian flair, but it still feels designer and elevated. The bracelet is adjustable. You can see the 3 tightness options here. You can wear it between 6.5 inches to 7.3 inches. And Linea only uses ethically sourced hand-cut gemstones, so it's beautiful and responsible. Honestly, the bracelet has become my new fave. I love the pops of color. It just brings me a little bit closer to summer. The chain is made of gold vermeil, so even though it is dainty, it's super durable. It adds a touch of femininity and softness to my look, and I love how it just makes my wrist look more elegant. A little fun fact, apparently Amazonite is known as the gambler's stone. It brings good luck and fortune. The bracelet looks so good, but it could also be your lucky charm. Maybe you've just hit the jackpot with this bracelet. And that's it from me, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about the jewelry, and I'll try my very best to answer them. Don't forget to use my code at checkout to get yourself a little discount. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like, hit the bell so Wikipedia can reach more people around the world. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.